Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of science. Today I want to talk about something you probably don't think about much, but it's absolutely fascinating and crucial to life as we know it: temperature. Yes, that simple number you see on a thermometer has a profound impact on everything around us. Don't be fooled by its simplicity. This concept is a real game changer. It influences the very fabric of our daily lives in ways you might not even realize. First off, temperature is all about the kinetic energy of particles. The faster they move, the higher the temperature. Conversely, when they slow down, the temperature drops. When particles move faster, they get hotter. When they slow down, they get colder. Simple, right? But this basic principle is the cornerstone of countless phenomena we encounter every day. But this basic principle affects everything around us. From the weather patterns that dictate our climate to the simple act of brewing your morning coffee, temperature is at play. Think about it: the weather, your morning coffee, even your body temperature, all governed by temperature. It's an invisible force that shapes our world. Ever wondered why we can't survive extreme temperatures? It's not just about comfort, it's a matter of survival. It's because our proteins and enzymes, which are like tiny machines inside us, only work within a narrow temperature range. These biological catalysts are essential for our bodily functions. Too hot or too cold and they stop functioning, which is bad news for us. But wait, there's more. Temperature also plays a pivotal role in the world of physics and chemistry. Temperature is also critical in the world of physics and chemistry. It dictates the behavior of atoms and molecules, influencing reactions and states of matter. For instance, the state of matter, solid, liquid, gas, depends heavily on temperature. This is why water can exist as ice, liquid, or steam, depending on the temperature. Take water, for example. Cool it down and you've got ice. Heat it up and you get steam. This transformation is a direct result of temperature changes, and it's not just water. This applies to pretty much every substance out there. Metals, gases, and even complex compounds all respond to temperature changes. Now let's talk about the universe. Temperature isn't just a terrestrial phenomenon, it extends to the far reaches of space. Did you know that the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang, has a temperature of just 2.7 Kelvin? That's insanely cold. Yet it's a crucial clue for scientists. But it's crucial because it helps scientists understand the origins of the universe. This faint glow tells us about the early stages of cosmic evolution. Temperature gives us clues about the past, present, and even future of the cosmos. It's a cosmic thermometer that helps us decode the mysteries of the universe. And it's not just space. Temperature plays a key role in technology too. Think of your smartphone. Ever noticed it gets hot when you use it for too long? That's because the components inside are working hard, generating heat. This heat needs to be managed to keep your device functioning properly. That's because the components inside are working hard, generating heat. Engineers have to design ways to manage this heat to keep your device running smoothly. Engineers have to design ways to manage this heat to keep your device running smoothly. From heat sinks to cooling fans, these innovations ensure our gadgets don't overheat. So next time you adjust your thermostat, drink a hot cup of tea, or step out into the cold, take a moment to appreciate just how vital temperature is. It's an unseen force that shapes our daily experiences. It's not just a number on a thermometer, it's a fundamental aspect of our world and universe. From the smallest particles to the vast expanse of space, temperature is a key player. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Until next time, remember, the world of temperature is more fascinating than you might think.